Curious about what those warning lights on your 2023 Cadillac CT5 dashboard mean? Wondering how to read the instrument cluster and respond to alerts effectively? In this guide, we'll explore the meanings behind each indicator light, helping you stay informed, safe, and in control while driving your CT5. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door controls manage the locking, unlocking, and adjustment of vehicle doors for convenience and safety. Climate controls regulate the temperature, airflow, and comfort inside a vehicle or building.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, super cruise light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, parking brake warning light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, lane safety indicator light, engine oil pressure light, forward safety warning light, stably track off light, performance shifting light, traction control system, security light, cruise control light, high beam indicator light, low fuel level warning light, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light, lamps on reminder, front passenger seat belt reminder light, IntelliBeam light, engine coolant temperature, warning light, pedestrian ahead indicator, service electric parking brake, light, traction off light, curve speed control light, tire pressure light, driver mode control light, performance traction management light, passenger airbag status indicator, automatic vehicle hold light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.